Hello everybody, it's Ned over at My Philippine Dreams. It's an all-day brownout today. It's Sunday. I don't know what the date is. I never do. And we are heading north to Manjuyod. And as you can see, sugarcane cultivation is in progress. Where are we right now? Bais. Yeah, we're in Bais City. There's a huge processing plant behind us. And you can see everybody's just waiting with their loads to get processed. Alright, I think we've found the location here in Manjuyod, and it's basically a white gravel road with lots of fish ponds to the left, so don't veer left. Alright, so correction, it's not down the white gravel road, that's Seabreeze, Campuyo Seabreeze. It's down the next road, which is Campuyo Aroma Beach Resorts. And it doesn't look like there's much parking here. Huh. And if you feel like playing basketball and real field temperature of about 118 right now, you can play some basketball. You got a basketball court here. They got a little play area, I guess, for the kids. They got some concrete tubes. I could have sworn, and yeah, there used to be swing sets. The pictures that they have of the resort, there were swing sets there, but it looks like that fell apart. They got some benches. Looks like they got a function area over there. And that dog just got away, and he's gonna go make a new friend.
Stupid dog, never listen.
Love is in the air.
Oh, yeah.
Come here, come here.
I want to make friends. Oh, they got seesaws. We might be doing some seesawing a little bit later. Oh, no. The seesaw is broken. The seats, unless you have a very small butt. They got hammocks. Got a couple hammocks. I don't know what kind of condition they're in. They got some nice grass over here. And yeah, Manjuyod. The decent breeze coming in off the water, but again, this is the middle of summer, so it's hot today. I'm a little disappointed about the swing set right there because it's not really swinging. And right next to the function area is Aroma convenience store, but it's not open, which is not very convenient. There is also, as you can hear, karaoke, because this is the Philippines, and what serene getaway wouldn't be complete without the sweet sounds of other people screeching into a microphone. Also, you can rent cottages, I guess, here. I don't know how much they are. I was never interested enough to ask. Looks like there's some more hors d'oeuvres. This is a big lot. This is a big resort. But I don't know. I'm just not really feeling it that much. Sorry, Roma. Nothing personal. All right, let's go check out the pool. And in case it's not, you know, too hot for you, there's also a gym right next to where the guy's doing karaoke. So you can get your workout on. You got some dumbbells in there, some other fabricated equipment. Looks broken over there. And I don't know, for doing dips, if you want to do some dips, I guess you can do some dips here. Got a punching bag in case you want to punch somebody. Practice punching. And some more equipment back here. You know, there's sometimes when I'm going around and I'd like to make some comments, and I just don't want to because it can cause more problems than anything else. So we'll just leave it be with that. Let's go to the pool. All right, and coming out to the pool area, you go past this nice green water right here. It's actually, I like the landscaping a little bit. It's pretty good. I like it. I like it. The water looks clean. The water looks clean. The only problem that I see is there's no shade, except for under that mushroom right there. So if we go swimming right now, I'd have to go hide under the mushroom. But we'll bring Zoe over here. You guys know I love lounge chairs. Hey!
You have a good day.
You have a good day too. Amping food. There's lounge chairs over there, and there's actually some in the shade, so I'm gonna go check that out. There's a foot bath. Make sure you wash your feet before you go. And these are some nice lounge chairs. I'm liking this. I think this guy over here is the lifeguard. He is diligently at work. Yes, he's the lifeguard, or she, I should say, keeping everybody safe. Oh, I just stubbed my toe. See what happens when you're a smart ass? Karma comes back and bites you in the ass. So we got some nice lounge chairs here. I got some kind of facility right here. I'm not sure what that is. And that sounds like the pump house because I hear the motor running. I got some more stuff up here. Yeah, we'll be coming out in a little bit. We can't go out here till like 3:34 though, when the sun goes down a little bit. But as for resorts up in this area compared to, I don't know, say Darwin, you do notice a difference. You do notice a difference. All right, so moving on. I gotta go back and find the family. Find the fam. Yeah, that's where I'll be spending my time later on. And I just stubbed my toe on the second time. And there's also a bubble bath. Yeah, I'll be hitting up the bubble bath later. We'll throw Zoe in here. Get her all clean. So what I think we're gonna do is go down to our little cottage by the little beach, and we're gonna transfer up here because we've already paid for the pool. And we're gonna take these lounge chairs and we're gonna put them over there in the shade, and we're gonna make this our base of operations. Sometimes you gotta do what you have to do. Desperate times call for desperate measures. Okay, so after making a command decision, we relocated from the beach up to right here. We brought a couple of lounge chairs over here. We even got our own little private hot shower in the back, right behind these trees. And the water is very warm. This is much better because there's also shade all right here. The sun's out right now, but when the sun's out, it's blasting down on this whole area right here. So if you're coming to Aroma and you got 200 pesos for each adult, I would recommend using the pool area. Again, they let you bring the lounge chairs over to the shade. It's a lot less people. It's Mother's Day today, so you know there's a lot of families down on the beach. And they said something about like a 20-person maximum, but it looks like it got a bit beyond that because there's like 150 people down there. Zoe is enjoying the bubble bath. Actually, it's not a bubble bath. She's just very gassy today, so that's all her farts coming up. She loves splashing. We've actually put her underwater a couple times. She's okay with that. Her doo-doo fish unicorn is over there. We just got to be careful about sun exposure with her because she's got more of my complexion than she does of Chi-Chai's. And there's some shade over here. This is where I've been hanging out. This is my spot. Yeah, so unfortunately this is an instance of if you got the money, you get the nicer place, accommodations. For people to get in, regular people to get in, it's 20 pesos to get in, and there's just so many people down there. But if you have 200 pesos for each adult, you can utilize this area, and you can see there's very few people here. right now. Hey! Zoe! She loves that swimming motion. Wow, look how thick her hair is today. It's so thick. Oh, and Zoe's 8 months as of yesterday. And this is Chichai's first Mother's Day. So everybody wish Chichai a happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
How has your life changed since you became a mother?
Changed a lot.
Yeah?
Yes, it's not me anymore.
All
It's
right.
about baby.
Baby, our lives are no longer our own.
Yeah.
We are subservient servants to this little one. And Zoe actually looks like she's losing a little bit of body fat,
Really?
except for her ass. But that's her personal flotation device. And again, even if the water's cold, she's like a walrus, so she can handle the cold water.
The first week she has a flat butt. But now
Yeah, when she was born, she didn't have an ass, and she had chicken legs. Now she's just all butt. She's like a sumo wrestler, and she has giant sumo legs too. Ah!
say hi.
Zoe, you gonna wish your mommy a happy Mother's Day?
No.
Really? You're that selfish? It's all about you.
It's all about me.
I want to get in my doo-doo fish. My doo-doo fish
My
unicorn.
And take over the world. What are you doing today, Zoe?
I'm gonna
Same thing
swim,
I do every day.
swim.
Try to take over the world. Make her fly. Whoa!
I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3.
Whee! Nope, it's not working. You drowned her first.
I'm sorry. Ow.
Must have gone up her nose.
Yeah. I'm sorry, baby.
I never do that to you, Zoe.
That's why I love you more, Dad.
Bless you. And just again, she's got her waterproof diaper on,
Yeah.
which isn't entirely waterproof, as we found out yesterday at Cafe Racer.
It leaked last night.
It leaked pee, a little bit of pee.
Maybe just a poop proof.
Maybe it's poop proof. Yeah.
Water.
Yeah, because she's doing solid poops now. This is too much information for everybody at home, but that's just the way it is. Uh-oh, we got more people coming in, and they got a baby too. And now we're gonna have a who's got the cuter baby contest.
Who's the fatter?
Oh, Zoe's won that already. I can tell. I can see the other kid from here. We won that one hands down. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.